welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be trying Japanese sweets. I am so excited because my sister, she has sent us all the way to our home, and she is in university all the way in Norwich, and we live here in Warsaw. That's like 4 hours. And now we are going to be opening up the boxes and we are going to be trying the sweets. Number 1. Sakura box. So that's our number 1. It's called a Sakura box. I think there's different types of sweets inside there. And then the next one, boing, boing, 2 more. Wait, 5. Wait, guys. If you want to see what's behind here first, you have to like, share, and subscribe. In 3, 2, 1. Have you done it? Now let's check what's inside. And we have got bubble wrap. Thank you guys for watching the video. I'm joking. Now we have to open up the bubble wrap because I don't even know what this is. Time to open this up. This is actually quite heavy, you guys. This is how I open it. Why is it so hard? I've got the scissors now. Let's open it up. And wait. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. Go. There we go. Whee! Come on. There we not go. And there we go. We have got we have got, I think, a strawberry flavor right here. We have got a green apple flavor right here. We have got a pineapple flavor right here. And we have got it's in Japanese, I can't read it and I don't know what this is. It's because on these they had different emojis to show they are, but this one doesn't, so I don't know what that is. And this is probably a grape. So, and then let me put them a little bit closer so you guys can see them. Now, let's open this up. Let's see if this is an easy ripple. Yes, it is. No, it is not. Let's just cut the bag open from here. Ooh. There we go. We have opened up the bag. Step 1 complete. And oh. Panda. Finally, this is in English. I can actually read it. Fusion gum box, Pandaro cookie. Oh, Kit Kat is in here. Is there any crisps? Because I love crisps. Crisps. No crisps. Okay, let's pull all these out in 3, 2, 1. Come. Ta-da! We have got like a little biscuit right here, I think that is. I don't know what that is. We have got beer. What is that? What? If I could read Japanese. Then we have got what? This is squishy. And then we have got, if I could read Japanese, I could tell you guys what this is, but I can't read Japanese. I need to study my Japanese. And then we've got a gamer, what's it called? Tom and Jerry. We've got a thingy one. Then we've got a Kit Kat because I can read that at the top, but I can't read the Japanese, so I don't even know what flavor of Kit Kat this is. Then, guys, we just had a short delay because we needed to check if everything had no gelatin and no meat. These were the ones that had gelatin meat. This one had meat. This one has meat. This one has meat. This one had gelatin, and this one also had gelatin and meat inside it. So the ones we're allowed is this right here. Wait, were we allowed this? I don't know. Guys, it also came with this little paper over here. I don't know if you guys can see that. It also has like a little key box to show if everything has meat, gelatin, milk. If you're allergic to all that, you can check on here to see if it has it. This we're allowed. So all this we're allowed, and these we're allowed. So get rid of these. Now let's start trying them. Number one is going to be fruit donuts. This one says it in Japanese and in English. Ooh, I don't want to get like sugar out and that. That looks so good, guys. I'm so excited to try it. 3, 2, 1, go. So good! I give this one an 8 out of 10. 8. It's better than I thought it would be. Guys, now we're trying the next one. It's like, it looks like a cough drop, but like in a strawberry version. In 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, sorry guys. This is called, I don't know because it's written in Japanese. Guys, this was a bungee. It was a sweet in Pakistan that we used to eat. Now, let's try this. I think it's gonna taste the exact same. Tastes just like bungee. It actually tastes like M&M's. I'm having one more. I'll give that. I'd give that an 8. No, a 7.8 out of 10. I'll throw that in a minute later, and I'll throw that in a minute later. Now, let's try this strawberry. Can't read Japanese, so I can't tell you what it is. So let's try this. Let's open this box. Ooh, that's what it looks like right there for you guys. It's just like a little strawberry. 3, 2, 1, go. I thought that was gonna be hard, but it's chewy. That's so good. Alright, now I'm gonna be trying this one. Can't read that off. And this is this is smooth cut at the top. Wait, this reminds me of something I've tried before. I don't know what it was, but it was like really powdery. And it felt just like this. That's what it looks like. It's really stretchy. And it's not as powdery as the thing I tried before, but I don't know what it's called. Oh my god. Look at the inside, you guys. That is amazing. 10 out of 10 for this. Amazing. Guys, now I'm going to be trying this Pandaro. Oh, it's a biscuit. Ooh, that looks so nice. It's a little panda. Let's try this. 3, 2, 1, go. 9 out of 10. tastes like a super biscuit. I really like super biscuits, if you guys didn't know. And now let's try this. Can't read Japanese. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh, this is nuts inside, so sorry for people who can't eat nuts. This isn't popcorn. This is literally popcorn. Guys, this actually tastes just like popcorn. It's a popcorn, literally. Guys, I completely forgot we had the drinks. Now I'm gonna try one of the drinks. This is the strawberry one, I think. Oh. And another lid underneath. How do people open? After 1 hour of trying to open it, we finally got it. What you had to do was, with this part, you had to poke it into there with so much force and it would fall into this. So now I'm going to try the strawberry one. Oh, it's fizzy. This one's not for me. It's not that it's bad. It's like in the middle, but I'm not like really into strawberry flavored things. Like my favorite strawberry flavored drink, and it's like amazing, is Mirinda strawberry. Okay, now let's try the blueberry one. So how we do it is we put that on top. We push. There we go. Oh, that's fizzing. Then it's pushed inside, and then we have the drink opened. 3, 2, 1, go. It's okay. Yeah. It's like in the middle. Now, this one I read on the side, because this is in English, it says it's the original flavor. So let's see what the original tastes like. There we go. Oh god, that's fizzing. Yeah, that one's good. This one's like 7-Up. It tastes like 7-Up. That's going into my saving pile. I'm gonna drink that later. Now let's try the pineapple. Trying to open it. Oh god, this one's hard. There we go. Oh no. Yay, it didn't fizz. 3, 2, 1, go. I don't know. Nah. This one's in the middle between bad and good. So I'm gonna put that in the middle there. You got the final one, the green, no, not green apple, the melon flavor, melon. So where's our little cap one? Here it is. Put it inside. God, look at my hand, guys, from all of that. Oh, my hand hurts. It's so hard. Okay. God, guys, this is so hard. What in the... There we go. Oh, no. It's exploding. Okay, there we go. This is the melon flavor. 3, 2, 1. This one's the best. The best one. The best. Amazing. Amazing right there. You can never beat it. That one is the best. That is so good. Oh my god. And guys, guess what? We have also got a little fake beer one. Don't worry, it's non-alcoholic. I'm not gonna be having alcohol at 10 years old. We'll save that till last because I'm really excited for that one. We'll try these. Don't know what they are, but that's what they look like. They're called Kapi Rangoons. It says on the back in English. So now let's try these out. Oh god. They're very powdery. We'll give it like a 6 out of 10 in the middle. 6 out of 10, yeah. I think I'll keep it at a 6 because it tastes nice, but it's like too powdery and it feels weird in my mouth, that's why. So that's a 6 out of 10. Guys, now I'm going to be trying this. Kabaya blue, no, not blueberry, grape. Oh no. Oh, it's a gummy. Hey, squishy. 3, 2, 1, go. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. There's nothing more to say. It's a 10 out of 10. Now I'm going to be trying this. Why does it look like a kebab? 3, 2, 1. Ooh! Ooh! And the fact is, I thought I wasn't gonna like this. This was so good. 9 out of 10. Yes, I'm so excited for this one. This is called this is called a Warogaki beer. It's not real beer, don't worry. So basically, what we do is we get a cup of cold water. We get this powder. We pour it in, and basically it's supposed to like froth up and turn into like bubbles, and then it turns into look like beer. So let's cut this powder open, and then let's put it inside our water. It specifically said cold water, so we've got cold water. Cut. Let me hold it from the bottom so that it doesn't like fall. There we go. Okay, I don't know if you're supposed to put all of it. Wait, are we supposed to put all of it? Add 120 milliliters of cold water or soda water and stir. Watch it for froth up, drink and enjoy. So we need a spoon, but we'll do that after. But I don't know if we're supposed to put all of it in. Let's do this. Should I just put it all in? Oh, do it so slowly. Come out. Oh my god, imagine if I'm not supposed to put the whole thing in and I just put the whole thing in. Okay. I think that should be it. I've got a spoon to stir it up, and guys, look, it's like all frothing up. I think that should be enough. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's put that there for us. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna. It looks like. What does that look like to you guys? 3, 2. Wait. I don't know what this is gonna taste like. 3, 2, 1. It tastes like Coke. It tastes like milky Coke, like Coke and milk. Coke, milk and water. Oh, the aftertaste is not good. It tastes good at first, but then I've got an aftertaste. Oh, water. Oh, the aftertaste is not good. So guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. It was really fun. There were some things that I didn't like and some things that I really enjoyed. Like these drinks, these 3, They were like these two, top tier. My favorite thing overall was probably, I don't think you guys are gonna be happy with me with this choice, but it was probably the donut and the biscuit type for two. Dear guys, don't say to me, I'm a basic person. I like basic things, so don't blame me. Sorry. I'm not like, if I go to like a dinner place with like fancy meals, I'd actually just get chicken nuggets. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!